Hello family, welcome to Miray Forex channel. In today's video, I'll be breaking down the basics of Forex trading and equipping you with the proper knowledge and foundation you need to become a confident and profitable trader. So we will also explore the three types of traders, and I will share with you the four important key steps to trading that every trader must know in order to grow and be consistently profitable. So if you're a beginner or you're a struggling trader looking for clarity, mentorship, and the right direction to succeed in Forex, you are in the right place, okay? So this channel is basically designed to simplify Forex trading and help you become a consistent, profitable trader. So my goal and vision here is to help serious traders grow step by step the right way. Because to be profitable in Forex, it's a step-by-step process, okay? So if you have any question that you want me to attend to, kindly drop them in the comment section. And if you also have any particular topic you want me to do a video on, you can recommend it in the comment section as well, okay? So make sure to watch this video to the end because I'll try my best to make it simplified as possible and straight to the point. So let's get to it. In today's video, we'll be attending a few important basics of Forex trading, or what you need as a beginner before you start trading, like before you jump into the Forex chart, okay? So the first is what Forex trading is. The next is how Forex trading works. Also, we have the right mindset to have as a trader. We have what you need to start trading. We have types of Forex traders. Also, we have key Forex terms and tools you need to be familiar with as a trader. Then we have the four important key steps to trading that every trader must know in order to be consistently profitable. So please do not miss out on any of these that I'll be explaining because they are very essential and they will help you on your trading journey. All right. So let's start simple. What Forex trading is. Okay. So what is Forex trading? Forex trading is the buying and selling of currencies and other financial instruments in the global foreign exchange market. So it is the largest financial market in the world. Yes, it is estimated to be worth about $7 trillion per day. That's the trading volume per day. And that's about 30 times bigger than the stock market, the biggest stock market, which is the New York Stock Exchange. That's basically the definition of Forex trading. We buy or we sell financial instruments in the foreign exchange market. Okay, so the next is how trading works. Now, how trading works is quite very simple, and that's what I'll be breaking down for you guys. Okay, so how trading works is quite simple. We buy or we sell to make profit in the Forex market, and the procedure we take is basically this. Now, we have as you can see, we have our bank account, then we have the broker account, we have the trading platform, then we have the financial instrument, then we have the buy or sell, right? So I'm going to break this down. Just listen carefully, okay? So now, as you have your bank account, that's the same way as a Forex trader, you should have your broker account. Do you understand? So now, the broker account is what gives you access to the online trading platform, which is the platform which we trade. Now, what do we trade? Financial instruments. Now, the financial instrument, how do we trade? We buy or sell the financial instrument. So when we buy or sell the particular financial instrument which we are trading through the online trading platform, we withdraw it from the online trading platform to our broker account. Now, from the broker account, you make withdrawal to your bank account. Same way, if you want to start trading, you deposit from your bank account to your broker account. From your broker account, you transfer to the online trading platform where you can place trades. So we trade the financial instrument in the online trading platform. Obviously, trading it is either buying or selling to make profit, right? Then we withdraw to the broker account, then to our bank account. So it's quite a simple process. Do you understand? So that's how trading works. So the next is the right mindset to have as a trader. Now, as a trader, having the right mindset is a major asset because it determines your trading performance, and it's one important key to consistent profit. So firstly, you need to have the right mindset that forex trading is a skill. That's very important. You need to know that forex trading is a skill, and yes, it's also a business. So if you have the mindset that it is business you're doing and it's a skill we are acquiring, the approach will be different. Obviously, if you're learning any other skill, how you approach it, you dedicate your time, you discipline about it just because you want to acquire the skill. That's the same way you should apply the same effort to forex trading because it's a skill. All right, it's not something you should joke with. Do you understand? So also when trading, your mindset should be you want to take a good trade and not make profit. Yes, I know it's quite confusing, but when taking a trade, obviously you're gonna make profit if you take a good trade, but your mindset should be you are taking a good trade and not making profit. But obviously, you're making profit when you're taking a good trade. So it's still a win-win, but don't make your mindset directed towards making profit. So in addition, some key mindset traits which you should have are discipline, emotional control, patience, and continuous learning. All these mindset traits are what you should adapt as a trader if you want to become consistently profitable. All right. So the benefits increase confidence in trading and gives long-term success. So to develop the right mindset, you need to set a clear goal. You need to have a trading plan, and you need to have trading rules and regulation which you follow, and also you need to stay disciplined. So all these things are what make you develop the right mindset to trading. So I'm gonna go into practical also, but trust me, these that I'm explaining are just as important before you start. It is just basically you having the right knowledge and foundation before you start up forex trading. So we're gonna go into practical, but you need to understand this concept first. Okay. So the next which we have here is what you need to start trading. Now, to start trading, you need your smartphone or laptop. Yes, your smartphone is okay for you, but if you have a laptop, that's a bonus for you. Okay, so your smartphone or laptop, you need a stable internet connection, and also you need a broker account, which I described on how trading works. Uh, Also, the trading platform which you'll be using. Now, the trading platform which I use and the broker which I'm recommending is Deriv. They are over 25 years in the industry, so they are very reliable. That's what I've been using for over 5 years now, and it's something I certain about that they are very reliable. So that's the broker I am recommending for you. So in the description, I'm going to drop a link for you to register your broker. So if you want to register, you can register through the link below. Also, you need a trading platform, like I said, which is MetaTrader 5. Now, the trading platform which I use is MetaTrader 5, and that's what we were advising. So, through Deriv, which is the broker you're using, you can have a MetaTrader 5 account, but it's an app on its own. You can download it on either Play Store or App Store. So, when you register your broker account, you open an account of MetaTrader 5 inside Deriv. So, they give you the credentials which you need to have access to the account or have access to the account on MetaTrader 5. So also you need a trading capital. Okay, I'm going to go over it again. What you need to start trading is your smartphone or laptop, a stable internet connection, a broker account, Deriv recommended, a trading platform, MetaTrader 5 recommended also, and your trading capitals. And most importantly, what you need also is the right guidance and knowledge so that you can trade with understanding and not guesswork. So that's the problem most traders face. They trade with just guesswork. They gamble thinking they are trading, and that's not the right approach to forex trading. The next which we have here is the types of traders. Now, there are three common types of traders in this space. The first is the independent traders. The second is the dependent traders. And also we have the investment traders. So I go with the first, which is the independent traders. Now, the independent traders are those who trade on their own, using their own strategies and knowledge, just like myself and other professional traders. They don't need to rely on anybody to get signals or market opportunity or make profit from the market. They do it on their own. So they are basically independent. Now, the next is the dependent traders. Now, the dependent traders are those who rely on signals mentorship, or copying others due to lack of skill or confidence. Now, to become an independent trader, which is the first type of traders, you have to go through the phase of being dependent. So if you're there and you want to become an independent trader, you have to go through the phase of being dependent, depending on someone as your mentor before you become independent. So the third type of trader is investment trader. Now, investment trader are those people that don't trade themselves. They just invest in skilled traders or platforms to trade for them, aiming for passive return. Do you understand? So they just invest in traders either for account management or platforms to trade for them, aiming for profit. Do you understand? So those are the three types of traders which we have. So if you want to be a trader, you have to follow under either of those three categories. So the next which we have is key forex terms and tools you need to be familiar with as a trader. Over here, we have about 7. They are quite more than that, but these are the ones which I feel are top priorities, which are quite important. So I'm going to be doing a teaching on this. So I'm just going to be briefing you guys. I'm doing a teaching on this. So if you want to understand better or about this key forex stamps, you can watch the video. Okay, so the first which we have here is pips calculation. The second is financial instrument. The third is lot size. The fourth is leverage. We have spread, number 5. The sixth is stop loss and take profit. And we have meta trader. Now the first is pip calculation. Now a pip calculation determines the smallest unit of price movement in a currency pair or financial instrument. Now, the second is financial instrument. Now, let me break down financial instrument. Financial instrument is a tradable asset, such as currency pair, stocks, or commodities that can be bought or sold. Now, there are different types of financial instrument. The currency pair is the most popular. Other financial instruments are actually available as well. As a beginner, I would advise you trade synthetic indices to start up trading, because there is nothing like fundamental analysis. It's just technical analysis that you need for synthetic indices, and it's 247. Why the currency pair is 245. So I'm going to be doing a teaching on financial instrument and all these key forex terms, like I said. So if you want to understand it better, you have to go and watch the video. Okay. The third which we have here is lot size. Now, lot size refers to the amount of a currency pair or financial instrument or asset being traded. So the fourth which we have here is leverage. Leverage allows traders control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital, amplifying potential gains and losses. So number 5 here is spread. Now the spread is the difference between the bid or ask price of a currency pair, representing the broker's commission. Number 6, which we have, is stop loss and take profit. Stop loss and take profit orders automatically close trades at set prices to limit losses or lock in profit. The last which we have on the list here is MetaTrader. Now, like I told you, the online trading platform which we'll be using is MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader is one of the most popular trading platforms that provide tools for trader for market analysis, trading, and account management. I will recommend MetaTrader 5 for you to start up trading because it's easy to use. You don't need to stress yourself. These terms which I just listed are essential for beginners to understand. That's the reason why I'll be teaching it in the next video. So learning these terms help avoid costly mistakes and give you control over your trades. So I'll be doing a video, like I said, explaining this one by one. So this brings us to the last but not the least, also one of the most important, the 4 key steps to trading that every trader must know in order to be consistently profitable. The 4 important key steps which you need as a trader to be consistently profitable is this: how to trade, what to trade, when to trade, and strategy to trade. So if you understand these 4 important key steps, I feel Forex should be simplified to you. You should understand Forex way better. So we have the first, which is how to trade. Now, I'm just going to be briefing you guys on these 4 steps, and I'll be doing a video breaking it down one by one for better understanding. Okay, so the first which we have here is how to trade. Now, how to trade is just as it sounds, you knowing how to trade. I explained earlier how forex trading works. That is how to trade. But one other thing which you need is market analysis. So, like I said, as a beginner, I will be recommending Deriv broker for you. Yeah, the link will be in the description. You can start with synthetic indices. They are the only broker that hosts synthetic indices. So you just need your market analysis. There are mainly 2 types of market analysis: the technical analysis and the fundamental analysis. So as a trader, you should understand both. But if you're just starting up forex trading, you can start with just the technical analysis, which is you trading just the synthetic indices. All right. I've been trading synthetic indices for a while now, and I stick with synthetic because obviously I'm making profits from synthetic. I don't see a reason why I should go to trade other financial instruments. So once you see the one that is profitable for you, you can stick with it and make consistent profit. So that is how to trade. The how trading works, which I explained earlier, from your bank account to your broker account to the online trading platform, which you get access to trade financial instruments and you buy or sell, right? Back to your broker account, then you make withdrawal. That is basically how to trade. But to know when to buy or sell, which is you having the right understanding and approach to forex trading, is you knowing how to analyze the market and get market opportunities. So I'm going to be doing a teaching on that in the next video, but that is basically how to trade. All right, so I'm just briefing you guys. The next which we have is what to trade. So if you've known how to trade, you need to know what exactly you're trading, which is the financial instruments. Now, this is what you are trading. You pick the financial instrument which you want to trade, you analyze, you do your back test. That's if you want to trade on your own. Then you get market trading opportunities. That is you knowing what exactly you're trading, right? Now, the third which we have is when to trade. Now, if you've known how to trade, you've known what you are trading, you need to know when to trade. Now, this has to do with the time sessions. If you're trading currency pair, there are time sessions whereby traders are meant to trade. I'm going to be doing a teaching on this. So we have the morning session and the like. So you need to know the session which you're trading. Also, when to trade is when exactly to take entry in the market. If you've seen your market opportunity, when exactly to place the buy or sell, you need to understand it. This is the reason why people blow accounts. They don't know how to trade. They don't know what they are trading. They don't know when to even trade. So all these are quite important. That is why I'll be doing a full teaching on this, okay? So the fourth which we have is strategy to trade. In order to take market execution, you need to know the strategy you're using to trade. So if you know how you're trading, you've known what you're trading, you've known when to trade, you need to know the strategy you'll be applying in order to see market opportunities. So I'll be introducing my trading strategy, which I use. I use the Miray trading strategy, and I've been using it for years now. I'm my student. They have been making profit from it, same with myself. So I'll be introducing it to you guys and explaining. It's quite simplified. It's not something complex at all. It's quite profitable. So I'm going to be doing a breakdown on my trading strategy as well.
If you have any question, you can drop them in the comment section. And if you have anything you want me to talk about, any topic, you can recommend that in the comment section as well. The next video I'll be dropping are going to be about forex terms and tools you need to be familiar with as a trader. The one I listed earlier, I'm going to be doing a full breakdown on it. Also, I'm dropping a video on the 4 important key steps to trading that every trader must know in order to be consistently profitable, which is the how to trade, what to trade, when to trade, and the strategy to trade. So I'll be dropping a video on that as well. And also, I'm going to drop a video on frequently asked questions by beginners and struggling traders in forex trading. If you don't want to miss out on any of these videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified once I drop the next video. All right, have a nice day, family.